Good evening, and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Selbert. But now I subscribe to account no I share because Asante Koroko Honsem no Yegusu Ade Bremo, so Ade Nsempano Bremo. Then you'll be well updated when it comes to the affairs of Asante Koroko. Na your boy homodin says seven ba the fair chiri and then architect a wudin yabo ewon seven kodin komo na yetimia ye ho adwuma. Now 2 weeks ago, we were Salif Ibrahim Di Maria of Heart to Folk Wasem Chirel. Brantiano sees we had a contract, a swab we here with Heart to Folk. Miankasa Osha interview, I'm the chairman Solomon Oware. Kesi Sudia say Santiko Kutim no, oye NCC chairman, which about 20 years himself for now. Before the atu say Christopher Damenya chairman on the which in the last 2 games, Opanyene no aboa Asante Kotoko panye nsem nyina na yeka okwa ho. Bado aboa Kotoko game on boy against Legon City Samatters. And Midiama Damenya play a key part. They say Tiase a course between Oni Asante region no. Aboa concern an open craft from on Monday. Some Kambo. The question na Kotoko she Midiama. Oh. Kotoko she Samatters. And on you call Midiama, a cobalt draw, and on hand car, and my Asante meeting patrons, Chairman Benazir, Chairman Kwekwan Ponsamo, Koyeno. Watching some tutor. But yes, whilst he catered for a year, their transport, no, Nyan Tie, watching once a minute penny behind the Uncomo. Bamyan Tie said, or some will be a piano, which is normal because you're penny for a move through Kumas and Temp. A move through Kumas number 6. The Kaiser by 11, productions, free Alex, no see you. Drew Taka da. Inti said Damenya san ye aduane. Esa de mom, which is nice. The Damenya na ehwe akire a de akwa koduru the end of the season. Omo wie a omo elections. Na ho na chairman solo di ba mu amene ne ye interview say if the Kotoko technical team and they come wish on say obesom sign Salif Ibrahim Di Maria or no onim ko betimi afa so ama abrante na de abakotoko it's asem ne ba en yemu bi retai di akire 2 weeks bi ane ayeko san likely but it's confirmed Di Maria contract be wu this particular season they will be then nra the story bi na nam tentan so ase Di Maria agent and the manager a guarantee interview say Asante Kotoko 8 minutes ni demands or the Di Maria beba asem no meti no na emena enti quickly na me friend Pini Zahavi so ni Pini yes the manager himself Asiedu me friend say no chairman me teaching sem bi na nka wo de say na me no tie yi say mo sesa ma adwen sem Di Maria beba Kotoko say so mama plus Obed na den na ekoso am say chairman news aba oh say was say our grantee interview one blogger na actually say our grantee interview say Di Maria me Kotoko me meet demands na ade no say me enti me cast su dua mo enra who story na ama aye mo de no sremo we the manager ne say Pini Zahavi asem na making na ha ono ne Pini Zahavi o say onye interview oba bia da and only journalist bia so nkasa da say or the Di Maria Kotoko betimi meet demands on beba tie mi ye obi abisa aka che say Obed ne say my call nipa ne say agent ne say only obi ankasa or say how complicated a Di Maria issue ni no under no circumstance will he grant any interview because of much respect any man have to folk and as long as conversations ni ade be koso no offer hands and disrespect me into house force to Kotoko chita for ma blog bi ama mutimu be am dem bros He proceeded on some maybe some questions. Also got to concern no sere. Fan to be da. He said Branten is still a player of hard to folk. Also when they got to connect her story and her can boom. And yes, I can remember your pocket fine stand. And until I'm there, me the story neighbor. Na no na me gyina so abi sa say koroko team no unya Di Maria wo mu anka ope. Yes, Salif Ibrahim, you can drop your comment. That's the question of the day. Do you think that if there's a chance for Kotoko to sign him, Kotoko should sign him? And watching how you operate for Heart to Folk, do you think he'll be a good signing for Santo? But manager say there's no discussions. The players' focus is on Heart to Folk till the end of the season. Chairman Solo so there next week, you know, one-on-one platforms on issues surrounding the NCC Kotoko performance and whether the Di Maria ten is ongoing. Ni nyina wo ho, ye be ho adwuma e de amamo. Nti Salif Ibrahim Di Maria ansem. Sa na tie. Bi e bisa aka ten se obe ne kan. A hand story ne ba, we call the people involved and we get you the news. Now on Wednesday, Man the Ball Champions League here. And I'm a structure se be si Kotoko ne ba. Na a series on the from your storyline that no did you. It was a series. I made did you. Watch me. Me did you. Today be anime hibiaba. I dey chat my friend penny for me to be the foforo ba. Say omo ka se family anam biaba. E say me the foforo ba. On Wednesday me catch us a Kotoko board me bo nipa ba ku din the mouth. Me catch us said na now penkra kwesi awua will be on the Asante Kotoko board. Then the maka. Bibi asesa ma be catch but he say he's on the board. Board no second story I'm a day ma on here say Mama found two of them say in the next 1 month say has game me 25th May. The year has game now. Announcement around Kotoko meet me aba. Based on what I'm picking, Pennyford to say on my Kotoko clear 2 matches Chelsea ne has in. Now beka only RT na bofo. Enti omo wie no nye wu say Kotoko position on the league is stable. That is where the announcement will start coming. Take it from me. Announcement next start yaba. An announcement never on said this is next Kotoko board. But a letter from the office of the chief of staff called GFA was almost wrong. Kotoko omomomu nyusu IMC new season they will announce a board. But I'm telling you that the board will be announced before the season will end. It didn't remember before season may end. Maka the dissolution of the IMC natural dada. Maybe mean canopy. But may now update on the Kotoko board. Opinion a friend Boatin Jemfi. Yes, Boatin Jemfi. We did him add your just source na no she. And then menya green light met me abonidi. Men share the efficacy on met me atrike. But sabre am no wo kasai. Opinion a friend Boatin Jemfi formally. Kotoko board ba ko na ho no wo so bi. 80%. Nipa no catch him, so catch them say buru 8. But men me on me me dey me careful. Say Kotoko board, his name is on it. And apart from Nana Pinkra Kwesi Ewa, from my sources, oba represented efficacy no. Opanyere fa no Boatin Jemfi Sudin e wo Kotoko board no so. New board no owo ho. And no second thing I'm dey ma on Asante Kotoko board. The third thing I'm dey ma on here say the NCC, from what I've been told, enya rep our board no so. Check you know the story oh no. Also the last Kotoko board, Christopher Damenya ain't nyanko so. Oh, Damenya nko board no so. And thereby said the next Kotoko board, there will be no member of the NCC, National Circles Council, on the board. No. And here they may pick it. Be any board no so. Enti me man te damenya din because damenya ne mpo no the likelihood say season we be ya NCC no on to aso e wo so ono ankasa de wadidi nkomo aba me won kan che me personally but mo ben na mo ka damenya asem a tumi wo mu no amaka anya say NCC no ahokra on contest bi so no member of the NCC and our board so and the board will be announced before the season ends. And can say earlier than that, even this month, yeah. But in Penny 4 share has game, you know. Oh, because has match ni promo no. And you can say be sacred, you make be divide attention. It's no so ya there air coso. Oh, so also if you can say no ma didn't miss based on commodity, but I likely say after has game. There will be an executive board chairman. Executive board chairman. Only the board never form management. But management, you know, from the office of the chief of staff, Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi will be on the management. And the IMC members, you know, Nana Penkrabeko board. Coach Akwesi Apia Hono. Hono nipa ne ka minya abotre. Because or paying for me. Because my catcher said technical directorate, you know, it will be structured. And the director of football / welfare manager be betimi aba. Position a dini betimi asesa. Inti coach Akwesi Apia de ne minya abotre. But initially nipa ne ka kire me say enka coach Akwesi Apia be representing the technical team on the board and also Kotoko old players on the board. Inti IMC no enya dia members ne ebe pamo. Based on what I have, the members in the IMC will not be sacked, but rather they will be reassigned. Yeah, they are to different positions. So Ogu ebe head coach. Akwesi Apia old players, technical director, sporting director bi. Oh, but I'm just announced and confirmed. Now that should be so our management. Mr. Kojo Jemfi on the end of the media amount. Na mo amode mani abu Kofi Aba no enye Kofi Aba. Mo amode mani abu Kofi Aba no enye Kofi Aba. Yes, story now about Bontin say there's another businessman in Accra. No. From the quarters of Kofi Aba. Enye likely say on one. There can say businessman and your Kotkojita for be businessman on cranty. Sanity. Ba me gusu di akire. Enti se no Kotoko field ne nyoma pagya no off the field nkomo no afei ne ebe wuram afei ne ebe wura transfer mu afei ne ebe wura new board ebe wura management it me srawo subscribe to channel no cause I had a mpanimfo no committee wi a ase propro a no ne mame de brew de sefata no ma bi kan de ba de execute committee ara report no Steve O ne ba komo ye no ne yo mo adwuma but we are ase propro a no na ma je abremo into subscribe to the channel na bibia uko yie ene we san okotoko na be san okotoko ba maka kiro se enam de last September mde ye me wo age project na wono ntino te keke ase ana kwaja atono mo ka asem kire me wo mo amtimi nka wo because I have a percent was they say me anka sa me nye believer biem. I'll be honest, me nye believer of the Adakwaja Achi project. And then I tell people me catch them face to face and penifo they say me because senior penifo be brief me about Adakwaja Achi no kasa abrinka esenka light na ye wie dressing room I stands but I'm honest her just that from what I've been told the youth team and development at AJ Sports Complex and the brand of Kotoko. And until the last time, it me confirm I said the branch manager of Kotoko will be somebody heavy. Because the target, you know, I remember new board, the Sanyoma Wiwo. Again, Krora, making sure say Obe clear all debt before the new board will take over. minim sa asɛm na meka no ti ni ya kurowa pese eka da obia no clear nti board foforo no beba no na nya afi na mumu sika na manya no o a na obi aba obere champon ball and boot kotokomo de beka boot there be montua kurowa pese o clear sa na man nyina flo so the new board will be handed a clean sheet with targets in terms of infrastructure and youth team development. And I want to trust them, say the youth team development and any flash in a pan. And these are not recommendations. So these are deep-rooted sources. And some woman can a month ago, just that a fair na yeah clear clearly. A baby yeah clear clearly. Na ya ho adwuma yie e de amam. Enti kotokomu be de. Kotokomu be de pa. Na ya hese moving forward no next season e be ko enti sa na tie kotokonyo bɛsesa ɛwɔ asante kɔrɔkɔ renovation so de ɔmadi kan yɛ wɔ secretariat hɔ awie last week na mekɔtɔ aduane wɔ Christian service hɔ na mesuo ma memfa hɔ kakra mefa hɔ na kyɛ sɛ kɔtɔkɔ secretariat na nya the needed facelift wura hɔ atum sɛ ɛhɔ ahomeka onya koraa bɛtena so no sesa paa just that cameras are not allowed. The cameras no meant but the Kotoko secretariat is looking good. And Yambo IMC Nabaso on all those things. Yambo Fikasi Mabaso for the source, financial source no Apple. It decided here. Kotoko players no market you no that. But Keko was a Kotoko about 25th against us. I have players no better salary and some of has 25th. That is the arrangement back so apostle. I have placed the bedroom almost salary and some of my boss on 25th. And now say omubo wi ade achi an omo nseka. Ti Kotoko players ne de is open krum omo chele pa. Santi Kotoko players ne kan en really tino me fam nsia na me adom a ochina Sunday on Sunday keke ba. And I holiday on. It's in Yamen coming out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Papa.